We're out in what was at one time a farm field. It was all cleared, but no farming here anymore. These mud volcanoes have come up. Sometimes it's very soft and muddy out here. Not so bad today. No mud on our shoes. You notice all these mounds look like termite mounds in Africa. They're mud mounds that have been built up by bubbling CO2 gas coming up from water from great depth. We're just about over the San Andreas Fault out here. So groundwater has been able to find its way deep into the earth, miles down, where it runs into hot rock and magma, which heats it up to steam, forces it back up, along with a lot of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is generated from acid brine at great depth down in the fault zone. The acid brine is working on ground up, very fine calcium carbonate from limestone that was brought down into the Imperial Valley by the Colorado River from the Grand Canyon. You might say that here in the deep Imperial Trough, you have all the formations of the Grand Canyon, but upside down. And among the formations in the Grand Canyon, about a third of those formations are limestones, which erosion ground up, carried down the river, and dumped here at the former delta of the Colorado River. So hot brine at depth is a weak acid, is rising up through thousands of feet of silt, actually about 17,000 feet of silt at this area, and finding plenty of pulverized calcium carbonate to react with, put an acid on it, and that makes carbon dioxide. So CO2 is coming up under pressure along with a little bit of water, comes sputtering up and burping out to create these mud volcanoes.